Welcome back to Maple Grizzly. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast who craves adventure, gear insights, and all things two-wheeled, you're in the right place. In this episode, I will be giving you another 10 essential motorcycle tips for new riders. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting started, there's something here for everyone. So, grab your helmet, fuel up, and let's hit the road. Today tips are for bike control and handling. 1. Use both brakes. The front brake provides most of your stopping power. 2. Practice slow speed maneuvers. This improves your balance and control. 3. Keep your arms relaxed. A tight grip can make handling more difficult. 4. Countersteer at higher speeds. Push right to go right, push left to go left. 5. Keep your head up when stopping. Looking down can cause instability. 6. Don't squeeze the brakes. Gradual braking prevents skids. 7. Use engine braking. Downshifting helps slow you down smoothly. 8. Don't cover the clutch, only pull it when necessary, or you may coast unintentionally. 9. Stay loose on the bars. Your bike needs some freedom to move. 10. Practice emergency stops. Get comfortable stopping quickly without skidding. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that bell icon for future videos. Ride safe and see you next time out on the road.